Tonight, the future is in limbo for some international college students here in Indiana after the Department of Homeland Security suddenly pulled their visas. The question is why? It's our top story at 11. Thanks for joining us. I'm Dustin Grove in for Scott Swan. Those students are now fighting back with help from the ACLU of Indiana. And our Alex Almanza is here now with the claims, the reaction, and the lawsuit. Alex?
Dustin, at the heart of this is that all of it happened so abruptly. Now, the lawsuit alleges that the students never got a chance to contest the decision and now fear deportation. 7 students are named in the lawsuit. They go to Purdue, Notre Dame, and IU Indianapolis. Some are just weeks away from graduation, and according to the lawsuit, they were blindsided when Homeland Security suddenly revoked their legal status. Rachel Van Tile is the director of legal services for Exodus Refugee Immigration, an organization in Indianapolis. She's not involved in the suit, but has been following cases like it.
It's disheartening to see that a lot of decisions are being made without affording people due process. If somebody's visa is being canceled, they should at least be given the opportunity to respond, and they're not doing that.
The ACLU acknowledges some of the students have criminal histories, but according to their lawsuit, even those convictions do not meet the legal bar to revoke a visa. According to the ACLU, that requires someone to be convicted of a crime of violence with a potential sentence of more than a year.
You and I can just probably agree that murderers and rapists need to be returned to their country. They don't need to stay here, but that's not who they're going after.
And for students with no criminal record at all, the lawsuit claims DHS is violating their constitutional rights, saying, quote, "There is no rhyme or reason for DHS's action. To terminate an international student status, the U.S. government must adhere to regulatory standards and provide basic due process, which it has failed to do." Meanwhile, university representatives are telling students to look at their options. Purdue and Notre Dame tell 13 News they've contacted students affected by visa changes and are urging them to seek help from their embassies and legal resources. Homeland Security did not respond to a message seeking comment, but in light of the growing number of students affected, many fear this could signal a wider crackdown on international student visas. In the newsroom, Alex Almanza, 13 News.